Capitalism requires inequality, and racism enshrines it. This is where we begin. Is racism capitalism's only altar of difference? No. But that doesn't mean that there is ever a moment in capitalism on a world scale where the various institutions that sort and stack us into groups does not contribute to group differentiated vulnerability to premature death. That last phrase is my definition of racism, and capitalism requires differentiation in order for it to realize its imperative, which is always to make money more.